Hey, good morning. I want to show you real quick a simplified version of the flash sale. Okay, so what I showed you previously is a little bit confusing. Okay, it's a whole lot confusing because there's 24 items in that sale. So let's simplify it so you can understand how these are done. So first of all, you will go into your back office, create a new party. It doesn't matter who the hostess is right now. You can just put your own name, your kid's name, it doesn't matter. But when you do set this up, do not show it on your site because this is just for you to be able to keep track of your sale, okay? And then you're going to transfer all the orders over into your active customer specials party link when it's all said and done. So I just opened up a new party link. Now we're going to go to orders and create a new order. So the thing with flash sales is that, like I explained yesterday, it's going to be under one party, under one customer name. Okay, so that's how we're going to get it to work correctly to where it will apply all the discounts we need it to do. Okay, so if you go to the current flash sale that I posted, the August flash sale, I have retail items as the Adventures backpack and the Glamour case, one of the Glamour cases. So let's go put that in as a retail order. So, and right now, it doesn't matter what print I'm using. This, again, is just so you know your numbers. And then once people claim items, you can replace these items with what they're actually getting, okay? And if they're going to add personalization, you can add that as well, and you would charge them whatever the additional personalization charge is. So I'm just going to add this Glamour case to my cart. So now I have my two retail items added. I have the Adventures backpack and the Glamour case, which gives me $113 retail items that are in the cart. If I divide that by 35, because $35 is how much it takes to know, or how much it takes to get a customer special. And in this case, for this month, it's 2 customer specials for every 35 spent. So if you take the subtotal, divide by 35, you'll see that in a regular month, you could get 3 specials on this order. However, you can get 6 for this time. So let's see what else we need to enter. Okay, so customer specials, you've got 3 stand tall bins and a tons of funds. So let's add 3 stand tall bins and a tons of funds. So that's only 4 specials, right, that we're actually using. So you could add 2 more specials in here and charge someone the actual customer special price. You wouldn't have to charge the amount shown here for $29 or whatever that is. And we'll get into that here in a minute. But let's add, let's see, it said 3 stand tall bins. So let's add 3 bins to the cart. And then it also says a tons of funds in coral for the customer special here. So let's add the tons of funds. Adding that to the cart, so it retails at $58, but it's actually coming in at $29 because it is an online special, an online exclusive item, which is included in our customer special this month. Okay, now it says hostess credit, 1 Glamour case. So I have finished inputting the items on the customer side, the retail and the customer specials in that order, and I do have my hostess credit Glamour case to still do. So let's go to the cart. Let's go to the orders and then hostess order. And you have to create a new order, and it shows that I have a $25 credit, which I'm going to use the Glamour case as that credit item. And again, I don't care on the print for now, so I'm just going to enter it in as it's shown here. Okay, so added that in as a hostess credit. Got it. Okay, now I'm going to view the cart. So my hostess side of the order, all I have in here is a hostess credit, which is coming out to be free. That's my credit item. If I wanted to add a half off item or an exclusive, I definitely still can. It's just not part of the sale that I posted. So your PV, I guess I'll go back to the hostess side. You always have to look at the subtotal of each side of the order. So the hostess side is 0, if you look here. And then let's go to the customer side. The guest subtotal on this one order is $202. So what that means is I need to make sure and collect $202 on this flash sale plus the tax and shipping so that it will be zero for me at the very end. So let's add up what I have here just as a double check. So if I'm doing 1 tons of funds at $39, Adventures backpack at $40, 3 stand tall bins at $29. I'm adding $29 in 3 times, and then the glamour case twice at $18. There you go. There's the $202. So let's say someone claims that Adventures backpack for $40, and let's say the shipping is 8%, which it always is, and let's say that the tax is 8.5%. So this is how you would do the calculation. You would say 40 times 0.08. Okay, so the shipping portion is $3.20. $40 times 0.085 is the tax for 8.5%. So $340 plus $320 plus $40. We're going to add the tax, the shipping, and the subtotal individually. So their total is $46.40. So if one person claimed the Adventures backpack, we need to charge them $46.40 on that party. So let's go to edit order and check out. And then we will charge this person $46.40. Okay, save payment. And it's not going to charge them right now, but I do have that in here. Okay, so we're just going to keep track of it like that. And then when we're all said and done with it, once all the items have been claimed, you can move these orders, or this order rather, to another party. And I'll show you how to do that real fast. So you are in the order itself. You're going to go to this edit button by this person's name, by the customer's name, and check it out over here. What type of order is this? It is a party order. It's currently in the sale August flash sale 2, but look, you can move it to any of your open parties. How cool is that? And the payment follows that order. So if I wanted to move it to my August customer orders, I could do that just by hitting save and continue. So that once it's exactly how I want it to submit it, I can move it over. And I would do that in the case, let's say I already have sales in a current party. I want to add to the PV so it'll add to my reward. So you don't have to do it that way. It's just an option, and I wanted to show you that. So there is your flash sale. Your items are in there. Let's do a quick substitution to show you how easy it is. So for example, the stand tall bin is $20 on the sale. Let's say that you only had 2 stand tall bins sold or claimed in your sale, and you're trying to get creative and get the other bins sold. You can substitute that. Let's remove it for now, and I'll show you where we're at, where that puts us. It puts us under $200. So if you go to the bottom here, so now your party total is $182. So now you can offer to your customer, say, hey, I can substitute since I can't get the last stand tall bin claimed. I'll tell you what you can get. So you're going to click on specials and online extras. Okay, and since that bin is worth $20, you're going to want to find a $40 online extra that when you add it to the cart, it's going to reduce it by half and make it $20. So let's find something that's $40. Look, you could add this All About the Benjamins wallet here. You could add that. Let me back up real quick. So that's $40. There's also a couple more in here. This wouldn't be enough if you added the $34.99, so we're not going to offer that. If they wanted that, they could get that and add something else to it, but let's simplify it for now. There's actually what's called a style setter that's $40 in the sale that I want to add to it. The style setter is awesome, and its retail value is enormous. It's like over $100. So, okay, here we go. Here is the style setter in 3 different prints. You've got Citron, Cobalt, and Cork. Let's add it in Cobalt. to the sale, and I'll show you what that does. So it's actually on an online extra for $39.99, and when you put it in the cart, let's see what it does. It's going to be awesome. Check it out. It says $20. Yay! So that is a way you can substitute. So now I've got 2 stand tall bins, a tons of funds, and a style setter. And check it out. My subtotal is still the $202, which that's what I'm collecting on the sale. So if you want to say, I'm going to give you a stand tall or exchange a stand tall bin with a style setter, you can so do that, and you can use all kinds of other products as well, but that's as an example. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about flash sales. Please keep in mind that when you offer a flash sale, you really need to get your customers ramped up and ready for it before you offer the sale. You don't want to offer a sale that people are not interested in. So if you're not getting the feedback that you want with the products that you're trying to highlight before you're posting your sale, let's change it up. I don't want you to feel like you're set up for failure. I want you to offer products that your customers are loving. So when you highlight these products, get a feel for what they think. If you're getting comments, if you're getting feedback, throw some things out there as ideas before you offer the sale, because we can put together an exclusive sale that your customers are going to love at a price point that you can deal with. So this one is like the lowest level flash sale you can put together, but it will definitely work. Let's real quick go to the hostess side, and let's just, for grins, check the half off item. So we haven't used the half off item in here. Let's see if it will take half of the amount of one of those online extras. That would be cool, because then you could offer an additional product to increase your sales. So let's just add this Benjamin's wallet and see if it brings it up for $20 instead of $40. It should, since it's a half off item. So we're going to add it to the cart, and since we're on the hostess side, we get to choose half price. Check it out. So it's bringing it in at $19.99. So feel free to do that with your extra half off items. And then like you can say, hey, I've got an all about the Benjamins. It's going to be $25 on sale. So you can offer more than what it is, and then they're going to be paying you $5 more than what you actually put it in for, and then you can get yourself a free key fob with that extra $5. There's nothing wrong with doing that. So work it to benefit you, and you're also helping your customers. So thank you all, and if you have questions, please let me know. All right, bye-bye.